In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Here's how to connect Notion to Google Calendar to stay productive. We're going to embed your Google Calendar directly into a Notion page so you can see your schedule alongside notes, tasks, and projects. This is quick to set up, and once it's in place, you'll have one clean hub for planning your day. First, open Notion and head to the page where you want your calendar to live. This could be a personal dashboard, a team page, or a dedicated planning section. If you prefer to keep things tidy, consider placing it in a section that you'll check daily, like the top of your home page. In that Notion page, type the command, embed, and choose the embed block from the menu. This tells Notion you're about to insert content from another app. You'll see a field waiting for a link, which we'll grab from Google Calendar next. Now open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're looking at the calendar you want to display. If you manage multiple calendars, find the correct one on the left sidebar. Hover over its name, click the three dots next to it, and select Settings and Sharing. This opens the specific settings for that calendar. Scroll down to the section labeled Integrate Calendar. Here, you'll see options like a public URL to this calendar and an embed code. Copy either the public URL or the embed link. Notion works great with a shareable URL. If you're not seeing the calendar when you embed it, it may be because the calendar isn't shared publicly. For privacy, consider creating a separate calendar just for events you want to display in Notion, rather than exposing your main calendar. Head back to Notion, paste the link into the embed block, and press Enter. Notion will load your Google Calendar right inside the page. Give it a moment to render, and you should see your events with the familiar Google Calendar interface, including month, week, and day views. If the calendar looks cramped, resize the embedded block by dragging the handles on the corners or edges until it fits your layout. You can also adjust your Notion page layout to give it more space, and within the calendar itself, switch views to find what's easiest to read. The month view is great for a high-level overview, while week view is perfect for daily planning. And that's how you connect Google Calendar to Notion. Now you can see your schedule and tasks all in one place.